remember Karishma and all.
I would never get cast in a Suraj Bharjatiya film.
You will be.
I would contaminate it completely.
Now.
I am the most misplaced person in a Suraj Bharjatiya film. Yeah, I think first 10 years men used to hate me a lot. For reasons that I don't. Yeah, I guess the stuff that I used to do on screen. So I guess men thought I was in a kind of a
Privileged.
Not very strict, very sweet.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I realized very early on that he's a stickler for जो script में है वही करना है.
Profile or maybe they don't divulge more details, but yeah, they have techniques and so I have stories too.
Yeah.
See how they do it, how much they have done.
She gets caught quite good. Lots of time.
And he's come to save me.
He's always getting stuff into the
Yeah,
country.
he's rescued me. He's come to save me. That's why he knows.
Let's see. ये भी देख लेंगे.
For me, I
ये भी
think
देख
the
लेंगे.
on-screen image of Imran and the off-screen, I felt like those were like.
मुझे वो 1 किलो डैश के साथ 250 ग्राम डैश फ्री ऐसे वाले मैं नहीं करता endorsements.
I've never had any experience, but I always feel that somebody is staring at me when I'm crossing. So
You're good looking, that's what you say.
वो हो सकता है.
I am doing a film right now. In the whole film, I am doing only one.
Yeah.
Only one.
Yeah, man.
So, and that also on
I feel
Netflix.
your pain.
So,
Look at the men talking about fashion and.
wow.
very boring है आपके sometimes.
Very well.
Hi, this is Sana Farzeen and welcome to India Today. I have with me the team of Taskari. Tell me, have you ever encountered a custom officer while at the airport? Like any story that you have from customs?
Of getting like.
Been frisked or at least been stopped?
I've had incidences at immigration checks in
Okay.
different cities across the world. I don't know, I probably fit the profile of someone out there. I don't know what that was. But I think also that, that not recently, not in the recent past, but the earrings, spike hair, this is way back in the early 2000s. I used to get pulled aside in immigration lines very often. So yeah, but never customs के साथ कभी भी नहीं. हमेशा बहुत civil रहे हैं customs के साथ.
Not a custom, not encountered, but yeah, I have friends in customs, so I've been hearing stories and how the profile or maybe they don't divulge more details, but yeah, they have techniques and so I have stories too.
Yeah.
How they do it, and how much they have done.
She gets caught quite good. Lots of times.
And he's come to save me.
He's always getting stuff into the
Yeah,
country.
he's rescued me. He's come to save me. That's why he knows.
lot of contraband. Did you see this? All this?
Yeah. But actually मैंने ना कस्टम का एक म्यूजियम, आपको पता है कस्टम का एक म्यूजियम है गोवा में?
No.
You don't know that? I have visited the museum. और उसमें जैसे जैसे लोगों ने तस्करी की है, वो उन्होंने बिल्कुल उसको जैसे अगर सीट में की है तो सीट रखा गया, अगर जूतों में की है तो किस तरह से की है, वो गोवा के उस म्यूजियम में है. और एक कस्टम ऑफिसर थे, उन्होंने मुझे मतलब दिखाया, वहाँ लेकर गए. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग प्लेस. अगर कभी भी किसी को समय मिले, दे शुड गो एंड चेक इट आउट. एंड किस तरह से लोग टैक्स की भी चोरी करते हैं, between wafers and chocolates. So some chocolates are wafers, but chocolate is taxed more and wafer is not. So how do they? हाँ, तो बहुत ही interesting है वो म्यूजियम.
Know a lot, huh?
Zoya?
Lot of information.
Lot of research, huh?
Yeah.
I've never had any experience, but I always feel that somebody is staring at me when I'm crossing. So
You're good looking, that's what you say.
वो हो सकता है. But I've always felt this.
This is a problem of most actors. We always think
Get scared.
someone's looking at us.
But I'll tell you, one
Especially
of the
when
director.
coming from abroad, when you're trying to go from the green channel, suddenly I see that somebody is staring. अरे यार कुछ तो है नहीं, लेकिन छोटा मोटा तो we buy some clothes or कुछ shoes ले लिया, कुछ ले लिया. So then I go from the red channel. पकड़े जाने से अच्छा है कि you go from the red channel and get it scanned.
Yeah.
But I always feel that there is somebody scanning and profiling.
One of the directors used to tell me that हम actors की life high speed में घूमती है, मतलब slow motion में रहती है. लगता है कोई देख ही रहा है. So we always.
Yeah.
With
But it's
background score.
very interesting.
Yeah, but तस्करी की stories इतने interesting आते हैं कि कहाँ लोग छुपाते हैं. I mean, that is also so much fun to just read about it.
और नहीं, हमारे स्क्रिप्ट में भी very novel और creative तरीके होते हैं. वो एक तरह से एक आंख में चोरी का खेल होता है ना इन दोनों के बीच. जब चीजें जब्त होती हैं, पकड़ी जाती हैं, तो the smugglers have to kind of up their game.
Yeah.
और उनको नए तरीके इस्तेमाल करने पड़ते हैं उसी चीज को फिर से लेके आने के लिए.
Right.
In cities in our country.
But Imran, tell me, once upon a time in Mumbai you were smuggling and now of course you're on the other side of the law. Does that just makes an actor's life so much fun? Like you getting to experience both sides of the same story.
Yeah, that's what we live for. I think the more variety, the better. As far as roles, it's very important to kind of keep your, the kind of stuff that you explore. Back in the day, yes, I used to play a lot of characters that were heroic, but this had their
Yeah.
grey shades. Now with things like the shift with OTT, it's great that you're getting to play the same thing over the course of multiple episodes, where at least for actors you have that, that greed that एक बड़ा arc है character का. You get more scenes to kind of flesh it out and present that character to the audience. Consolidated सिर्फ 2 या 3 घंटे की film होती है, but in this you get
Yeah.
more scenes to play it out. So
Right.
I like that. I like the whole thing of playing out things in a show also.
Yeah. But has it ever happened that you played a character and you're like, I don't relate to this person?
A lot of them.
Oh, really?
There are a lot, and I would say that is one of the reasons I pick up stuff is when I can't relate to someone, it becomes more challenging. उस चीज उसके दिमाग में जाना, उसकी psyche में जाना and get to know. Like for example, I think the first character I did that was very distant from me was a film called Shanghai.
Yeah.
Very distant from who I was, the lingo, the body language, everything had to be changed. Like I had to do workshops for almost 7 days to get into the
Wow.
skin, the head of the space of the character. So that was there. Then even a film like Huck, completely very distant
Absolutely.
from the ideology of the way he thought. That's why I felt that and he's a lawyer. So
Yeah.
I never played a lawyer before.
Yeah.
So it
But
became-
congratulations on the success of
Thank
the
you.
film. Yes.
Thank you.
Sharad, your voice, as you guys were discussing, has become another personality altogether.
The talk of the town.
Yes. I mean, every time we hear you, we know it's you. Tell me, do people now reach out to you also for your voice apart from your acting
Yeah,
capabilities?
a lot of people there, but
Yeah.
now I'm a bit choosy. I don't. मुझे वो 1 किलो डैश के साथ 250 ग्राम डैश फ्री ऐसे वाले मैं नहीं करता endorsements. I need something creative, something good to to narrate or something. So I'm not bit. I'm big choosy in that.
Yeah.
And now I very selective about films also. Earlier I must have done around 10-12 Hollywood films, but now in the past 3-4 years dubbed only one.
Yeah.
Because that was a franchisee, so I had to do that. So I reduced my voicing work a lot.
No, but for roles also, do they actually look at you that is character ka
Now
voice Sharad
not.
se match
Earlier,
hoga?
in between there was after
Yeah.
Bahubali there was a time where people used to call me, he said, ये रोल आप करिए, आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है. So I had to say no for a lot of things. Incidentally, I was telling him a role. It's like we did. This is my second project with Imran. In the first film, he was a thief, I was a cop,
Yeah.
and in
Oh,
this,
yes.
it's completely opposite.
Yeah.
See, it's just life comes to a full circle.
And actually smuggling stuff also.
Same gold. Only. Yeah.
But also, Sharad, I feel your image now is like formal suits. ये भी एक हो रहा है कि भाई villain एकदम suave villain वाले characters. And
I think
even-
the first film
yeah.
where I'm wearing a suit. No, it's the second film. Irada, I did
But
one.
formals also like
Yeah, this is the second one where I wear suits and more
Yeah.
stylish because he's based in Italy and Milan, so he needs to be that
Right.
fashionable.
Yeah.
He can be.
Right.
So thanks to
Jalebi
Falguni.
Namak.
Thanks to Falguni, who is a
I know they
designer,
all went to
and
Milan without us.
नीरज सर की इतने अच्छे कपड़े मुझे पहनने को दिए.
और मुझे सिर्फ एक ही कपड़ा पहनने को मिला इसमें, white suit. Not much variation.
In fact, I am doing a film right now. In the whole film, I am wearing only one.
Oh.
kapda, only one.
Yeah, man.
So, and that also for
I
Netflix.
feel your pain.
So
Look at the men talking about
Yeah,
fashion
I mean,
and
wow.
they're boring after some time.
Very, very.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nandish, tell me what was your reason to pick this up? And you've also been very selective of the projects that you are doing. Tell me about your own journey from television to now, of course, doing such powerful packed roles on OTT.
Yeah, journey has been, like I always say, journey has been extremely good in a way that it's been a lot of learning throughout the journey. For Taskari specifically, if I talk, I would say one of the main reasons was that I've always wanted to play somebody who wears a uniform. Then, but later on, you'll get to know when you watch the show how much of you would see me in uniform. But this was one of the main reasons because I studied in a military school. And that's something which is close to my heart. I wanted to join the armed forces also.
Wow.
So this was, and this is still in my head that I want to play roles which are uniformed, army officer or Air Force officer. That's not happened till now.
Yeah.
But when this came, this was one of the major things that I wanted to do the part. Then of course the story, the character arc, and Neeraj sir and the entire team.
Absolutely.
So when I heard about and the lovely cast that is there in the show, so when everything was put together, it just made a beautiful package, and I just wanted to be a part of this
Amazing.
big story.
Yeah. Zara, tell me about you, because when we look at such stories, we usually think it's the men who will be doing all the talking. But when you have a woman out there just taking things on in her hands, tell me about that. And also, I wanted to ask you, post Miss India, of course, your pageant journey, a lot of earlier in the 90s, we saw them just going all in and doing so many films. But you've also been very picky about the projects that you were picking. Tell us about that.
Well, I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं अभी उस जगह पर नहीं हूँ जहाँ मैं चूज़ कर सकूँ, पिक कर सकूँ. अभी तो जो ऑफर हो रहा है, इट्स द इनिशियल, मीन स्टार्टिंग ऑफ माय करियर, आई फील. तो अच्छे रोल्स जब ऑफर होते हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है. विद नीरज सर, आई मीन, मैं अगर आपको बताऊं तो मैंने एक 3 या 4 दिन का रोल किया था सिकंदर का मुकद्दर में, और वो 3-4 दिन के रोल में मुझे लैंड किया दिस, बिकॉज मुझे किसी ने एक्चुअली कहा था अगर इफ नीरज सर रियली लाइक्स योर वर्क, ही विल रिपीट यू, ही विल कास्ट यू अगेन. एंड तो इस तरह से मतलब ये जर्नी रही है. एंड पिक एंड चूज तो खैर वो बाद की बात है. आप एज एन एक्टर ऑफ कोर्स आप चाहते हो कि आप वर्सेटाइल रोल्स करो, एंड for me, just to be cast by Neeraj sir is a very big deal, because एक तो he's a brilliant storyteller. उनका production house is the best production house I've ever worked on. मतलब they are on point, they are so professional. उनका जितना भी drama है, it's for the screen.
Yeah.
Screen के पीछे it's calm, it's on point. Everything is like to the T, meticulously planned. And same with Imran, I think. He's so calm and like serene and like, but all the drama is there for the screen.
Yeah.
तो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है कि उन्होंने मुझे कास्ट किया, कास्ट ही नहीं बल्कि रिपीट किया. एंड फॉर सच अ कैरेक्टर, जब मैंने ये स्क्रिप्ट आई, और आपको पता है मैं 3 दिन में कास्ट हुई हूँ इस सीरीज़ के लिए. I was sitting in Assam, मेरा ननिहाल है वहाँ पर, and I get a call कि आपको can you come right now? मैंने कहा मैं 4000 किलोमीटर दूर एक जंगल में हूँ. मुझे पहुँचते ही 1.5 दिन लगेगा to come back. So I think I only feel validated in my own skill and talent that a director like Neeraj sir took chance on me and gave me the responsibility of such a beautifully written character, जो मेरा character है प्रिया का. Usually जब हम female characters की बात करते हैं, बहुत कम ऐसा होता है जहाँ there are meaty roles. But with Neeraj sir's storytelling, every character is layered. Every character has a character arc. It's very important in the whole story.
True.
तो जब मैंने कैरेक्टर पढ़ा मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गई, बिकॉज जो प्रिया का कैरेक्टर है, it's going through so many ups and downs, and as a woman I want to choose characters those have a meaning in the story, who take the story forward. As an actor I want to choose that. But अब मैं उस choice के मोड पर आई नहीं हूँ. I am just glad that Neeraj sir chose me for such a character.
Superb. Imran, also I wanted to ask you about this sudden another wave of love that came to you post Bands of Bollywood, and the term Imran Paglu that has become so popular on social media. How do you look at it? How do you feel about it?
No, it feels good. I think it's a great compliment when people see something and they acknowledge it, even though it was. And I always say it's never the length of the role, it's always the impact that you leave, even in a few scenes, or the impact that the character brings. And it was a cameo which was just 2 days of work. And I really didn't expect this. I mean, when you're shooting it with everyone, it's a great scene. We had a couple of laughs on the set, but you're not actually laughing that much because you're actually performing and being true to the scene, right? But we didn't know it's going to blow up this way. So it's good. It's good that the acknowledgement and that love has come my way.
Yeah. But that shift also from young girls being your fan to now men actually being your fan.
Yeah, I think in the first 10 years, men used to hate me a lot. For reasons that I don't. Yeah. I guess the stuff that I used to do on screen. So I guess men thought I was in a kind of a
Privileged one.
privileged position. But yeah, it's interesting that this has kind of garnered that.
Yeah, absolutely. Both of you also, I wanted to ask you, there was this entire perception that TV actors cannot do anything else, be it OTT and or films. You are right here sitting on Netflix. You've done so many shows, films also. Tell me about the perception that has changed when it comes to casting and also the image. And one thing I wanted to know is, did you also have to unlearn a lot of things while you started on this new journey?
It's been a long time that I've been doing everything
Yes.
on this planet Earth. No, it's unlearn in the sense you have to unlearn after every project. You can't, what, because you do TV for 4, 5, 6 years. Once the project is finished, you have to forget about that, what you have done. Or
Yeah.
maybe the shoot day, like right now I'm shooting a lot of stuff. It's on television also, which is on OTT also, in the films also. So I'm doing, or I dub also. So once you're out of the set, you have to forget about that character.
Yeah.
You enter a new set, you have to think about a new character. So that's the same thing, and TV particularly gives you a good background. The basics of acting, or maybe,
Yeah.
and because you're so used to cameras, lights, and all, so you're not conscious on set. Plus, what I did in my earlier career, after first show, I keep on changing the characters.
Yeah.
Hero, anti-hero, matured, detective, blind. So I keep on changing that. So I was never stuck on one image. And with that, I think I've been, and simultaneously I was doing TV also. It's been a big
Yeah.
gap was there for around 8 years now. But again, I started, and that's what that is doing very well. So, but with TV, I was doing films. I did 3 TV shows, and with that, I did some 30 odd films. So I've been lucky, I think, or maybe I was not stuck to one image.
Yeah.
I was trying to experiment. I was ready for any challenge.
Super.
And touchwood, what I have been, I think, extremely lucky that at the same time I got Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's role, I got Lakshmi, then Operation Romeo, then
True.
Bhumi, and so I think that was a phase I think every actor has. That
Yeah.
things works for you, and there is a phase where it's a dud. So
Yeah.
actor has to be ready for everything.
But also, if you see in international cinema and in the West, there are so many actors who parallelly work in films and TV
Yes.
and web shows. It doesn't make a difference. It's I think it's just the mentality and the thought process that जैसे कि आपने बोला कि TV किया है तो ये नहीं वो नहीं. People are doing everything simultaneously. Parallelly, they're working in theatre, they're doing plays, they're doing movies. There's so many great examples. So and I'm glad that that's happening here as well.
Yeah.
इस इंडस्ट्री में भी हो रहा है, सबको समझ में आ रहा है that people are actors can be versatile, they have a range and they can perform in different
Yeah.
mediums. I think
Acceptance आ गया है.
Acceptance.
correct,
I
and
guess.
that's a good thing.
Yeah. Imran, you also tell me that is unlearning also important, because at times you want to maybe cash on to that popularity, that franchise maybe, Varapan of course is releasing now, but how important is it to break out from that image, break out from that popularity, or that image from...
I think that's something that is not in your control. That's bestowed upon you through the films. And when something rakes in money at the box office, then people want to replicate it because that becomes like a safety net. But we try to keep it a little kind of variety in that same mold of the character. And I did that in the first initial 10 to 12 years of my career.
Yeah.
But then it was very important that you understand that everything has its saturation point. Audiences change, tastes change. And then you can't be a victim to that. You can't become like this caricature of yourself.
True.
And, because then it's a very limited run for you.
Yeah.
So if you want to run the marathon here, you have to be able to surprise the audience every now and then. And it's good that the terrain has changed through OTT and even films. Although films have become a little safer right now with the stuff that we're doing, I think OTT, that's really led to the audiences waking up to so much different content from around the world, different languages in our country. And they've just matured in the sense. It's scary because they've seen so much stuff, so you have to, really up the game when you're giving them content and the characters that you're playing. But after almost being in the industry 25 years, then it becomes a problem because you've already had a body of work. I'm close to, I think, roughly around 50 films now.
Surely.
So the thing is, I've done so much. So I'm also rejecting stuff because okay, I've done this. It's in a similar space.
True.
And if it's a similar space, you want it to go like a level way beyond what you've done.
Yeah.
So it becomes a little difficult. Then you gotta say more. You have to say no more often.
Yeah. But
than
what's the
not.
update on Avarapan 2? Because that was when Sayara released. That was called the OG romantic film that
Yeah.
people have cried.
Yeah. So it's we're 50% of the shoot. We have a leg remaining now, which we'll finish, and we release in the next couple of months.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's releasing
Right.
next couple
Also,
of months.
Imran, I wanted to ask you about Dhurandar's success. Like, what does it do for an industry, for an actor? Of course, it's inspiring, but does it also just makes you feel, I wish my film also does that kind of business?
No, of course. Whenever a film does certain amount of business, firstly you're happy. There is a crab mentality in our industry. People like to
Yeah.
run down films, but I'm of the opinion that if something does well, you should kind of celebrate that, because that really, the more films do well, the more it gets easier for the industry, and the cash flow comes in, and it helps everyone.
Yeah.
So that crab mentality shouldn't be there.
Mm.
But it's great for the makers. I think it's a brave film. The marketing of the film, the way it's been. I've not seen the film, but it's audacious when you have 2 parts like that and a film that is almost 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
But it's doing the kind of business. You can imagine. I was just telling someone right now, when the cinema experience would be 4 hours with advertisements.
Of course.
But people are going and seeing it at
yeah.
like 12 o'clock shows, 2 in the morning shows, and that's the power of
Yeah.
cinema and word of mouth.
Absolutely.
Like it's caught on like wildfire.
Yeah, it's already the biggest Hindi film
Yeah,
as of now.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Good for them.
Yeah. And lastly, I wanted to ask you, of course, a lot has been said about how Neeraj Pandey is a very strict director. He's not here, so you guys can be honest.
Yeah.
Tell us about it. How is it?
I found it not very strict, it's very sweet.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I realized very early on that he's a stickler for जो script में है वही करना है. So I
अच्छा.
tried to improvise twice. तो उनका बस बहुत sweetly उनके expression आता है. बहुत अच्छा है इमरान, लेकिन let's stick to that जो script में है. And I get where he's coming from, because if you read his scenes, they're so
Related.
crisp.
And related to each other.
Yeah, they're related
so
to each
he
other.
knows the edit basically.
Yeah, there's no
If you
flap
go
there.
out of the graph,
नहीं वेवर नहीं हो रहा है, तो it's understandable, but he's very like okay specific. ये है तो आपको यही करना है. Don't go into improv too
sometimes
much.
the dialogue match cut is there, so you can't change it or you can't go anywhere.
So I tried twice.
Everyone
I
tries
got
on the
an
first
expression
go.
on the camera. I was like,
Everyone tries on the first
No.
go, then you understand. कि नहीं, but this is
Yeah.
my third
यहाँ
one,
नहीं
so I
चलने
know.
वाला है.
Yeah.
You can't. shift
Also,
from-
you have to be so prepared if you're on
You
Neeraj
have to
sir's
be
set. You
ready
completely
on
prepared.
time. You have to be ready with your
And
lines,
actually-
everything.
Yeah.
And you have to be very specific what you are doing and
Okay.
how you are doing.
No, and what I was amazed at knowing the amount of time he finishes films and shows in. Like if you see our show, we've shot in more than 7-8 cities across the world, different airports in our country, and the number of days you might think this would take 3 times that. Even his films, they come a couple of films he's done like 35 days, 38,
Yeah.
unheard of. Like you would imagine that film would take 70-80 days to shoot, but he's very, because I think it's a television
clear.
background also.
Also, the planning is
Lot
bang
of-
on.
Yeah, a lot of experience.
So
that
he-
comes
he-
from it.
particular.
From television background, obviously, and edit he knows what,
Yeah,
what
yeah,
he
very
wants
clear.
exactly. He shoots specific that much. only.
Yeah.
And his pattern of shooting is very interesting. He shoots more of one shots.
I love
So
that.
you rehearse
I
4-5
actually love
times
it,
and
yeah.
you will shoot it
You
twice.
just shoot it
max.
twice. Yeah, twice,
That's it.
thrice
Your scene
max.
is done. You don't do different angles and lighting up this and that.
Comes from a clarity. Yeah.
He's very clear in his
I think
thoughts.
that's where the realism comes from. And I think he also, like the kind of cinema he does, it's very realistic.
If you will watch the series also, no? Suppose he's taking a shot in the airport, you will feel, the audience will feel that they're in the airport.
Right.
So that kind of shooting pattern he has.
And he's also started the trend of spin-offs of characters. So you guys better pitch that your characters should have their own spin-off stories.
Yeah, I'm trying for last 6 years. I think one show I did with him was not funny, right?
Imran is like, I already have a show.
Yeah, but as she said, कि नीरज सर का वो अच्छा है कि if he likes you as an
Yes,
actor,
he
he'll
does.
repeat you. So this is my third in last 6 years, so it's good.
Super.
Another thing that sorry, I'm interrupting. Another thing that I realized about him while working with him was that he doesn't show too much. Neither too much of excitement, or even if he's disappointed, he won't show it on the set. But there's a very subtle expression when you keep looking at him. The way he walks away from the monitor after the shot is done, you will realize whether he's happy with the shot or not.
For me,
So-
actually, the biggest, takeaway was that मेरे पहले दिन के शॉट पे जो सबसे heavy scene था, वो रखा गया था. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था या तो सर मुझ पे बहुत ज़्यादा भरोसा करते हैं या तो वो देखना
Taste कर
चाहते हैं
रहे
कि ये कर सकती है या नहीं, पहले दिन ही पता कर लो. So I think his trust in his actors and his own script and his own writing
Yeah.
is, so amazing.
Can't wait to watch the show, definitely. And Zoya, I wanted to ask you, every time we Google your name, the Hum Saath Saath Hai meme comes up. How does that feel when you see those
I mean,
pictures?
Saath Saath Hai meme?
Your meme,
She
your
was
meme
there in the film.
It was a meme, but I wouldn't know.
What's the
what it
meme?
was.
No, meme, no, those pictures where you're
pictures,
crying,
okay.
of course, वो dance
okay.
वाला moment, just to see yourself,
I
those
see, I've
young
not seen this.
self.
मैंने गौर नहीं किया, देखा तो
एक्चुअली पता है मैं ना 3 साल की थी तो मुझे ज्यादा याद नहीं है. मुझे ना मेरी मम्मी कहानियां बताती हैं तो उस कहानियों के जरिए मेरी मेमोरी मतलब
अच्छा.
बन गई है.
Hmm.
एंड वो पिक्चर्स देख देख के मेरी मेमोरी बन गई
कहाँ
है.
से याद होगा, मैं भी
But-
7 साल का था उसमें.
But I mean, but I do remember that I was extremely pampered on set, and it's such a different experience to be a child artist on set, and such a different experience to be like,
And that to be in Suraj sir's on
yeah,
Suraj sir's set.
and there were like all the stars were there on set, and matlab, as a
Absolutely.
3-year-old, you're only like taken care of, pampered, and you know, सब आपको आके line सिखाते हैं. I remember Karishma and all.
I would never
said-
get cast in a Suraj Bharjatiya film.
No, you will be.
I would contaminate it completely.
Now you
Contam-
I am the most misplaced person in a Suraj Bharjatiya film.
But I think with
you
the
never
graph,
know.
Hmm?
You never know.
you never
I
know.
actually been
you
offered
never know.
I think it was
I would cast you if in a very
You never
nice family film.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually,
I'm telling you honestly.
चलो ठीक है. Let's see. ये
I
भी देख
mean,
लेंगे.
for me, I
ये भी
think
देख
the
लेंगे.
on-screen image of Imran and the off-screen, I felt like those were like
I know
kind
you
of
it's the baggage that you
It's-
carry. Na? Like
it's
you had
like
preconceived notions.
two different
That's
things.
why you're so scared in the first.
I was
version.
not scared. I said I was nervous. The on-screen,
Anxiety
the
and
charisma
nervous,
charm,
scared.
that is of course there
Superb.
off-screen, but he's such a gentleman off-screen
Absolutely.
that I mean, I was really amazing, like a great experience working.